Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. So today's video, I'm going to be doing our Boxyluxe for the month of March 2019. As usual, I do not like to cheat on my boxes. So it is still sealed. It does still have the seal on there. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started and make this a video super snappy. Oh, I'm cutting it with the knife. I promise I'll be very careful. I'll set it aside. Okay. Here we go. So here is the box. Okay, so here we go. I can't see, but I know this is the card, and this month's theme is La Vida en Rose. That's what it is, and it has a big postcard. Now, usually this has a variation on it. I'm not sure, but I don't see any kind of little number around it at all, not unless if I'm missing it. If I find it, I'll let you guys know which variation box I got because I actually don't see anything on here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So this Boxyluxe month, we receive it every 3 months. Our last box, we got it in December. It was my very first box and I absolutely loved it. So this is my second Boxyluxe box, and this is for the month of March. And we will be getting one again in June, March, April, May, June. Yes, yes. Okay, so the next one is gonna be in June. So yes, this is what we got. This box usually retails for like the 50 bucks. You get a value of like over $300 or so. That's how it was last December. It was a really great box. So anyhow, yada yada. I'm pretty sure you guys get the deal, know how it kind of works. And here we go. Okay, so the first item that I see is going to be this right here. And I was a little cheater because I kind of peeked through one of my friend's boxes, just a little, and I saw that she got this too. So this is really cute. So this is a BoxyCharm makeup bag, and it's really cute. I love the color. It's like a rose gold metallic bag. It has a BoxyCharm logo, and it's really cute. The lining is really pretty on the inside. So this is really cool. I actually really like this little makeup bag. I will definitely put it to use. I don't really travel much other than going to my sister's house. That's the only traveling I do. Pretty boring. But yeah, this is the first item that we got. Oh my God. Look at this. Okay. Obviously, I see some freaking lashes, and I love me some lashes. And these lashes are a limited edition. They're Fox Mink eyelashes by lilylashes.com. And this is what they look like. Now, I had first seen these lashes. I thought they looked pretty natural and they weren't like my kind of eyelashes because I like my shit to be full, dramatic, extra glam. But these are okay. They're actually really pretty. I just thought they were gonna be a lot more natural looking. But they're all right. They're really nice. I like this a lot. I'm gonna be going over the prices towards the end. Just wanna get through the items. So the next thing that we got is this right here, this little box. And this is by Iconic London. That's what it says on here. I should not have chopped off my little nails. I have no nails at all. Okay, so kind of broke the little box, who cares? Okay, so this is by Iconic London. Looks like a little compact. And it's like a rose gold. We're getting a lot of rose gold stuff. That's what I'm noticing. Okay, cool. And it does have a little compact. Inside of the compact, let me lift this up. This is a cushion. Like an eyebrow cushion. I think that's what it was. It's really cute. I've never tried anything like this. And it has a lighter shade and a darker shade to it. And then the little mirror right on top. You can close it, open and shut. The compact is really cool. It's really cute. And then it has the little spoolie at one end, and then it has the little brush at the other end. So I guess you dip it and then you kind of draw out your eyebrows. I use the Anastasia Dip Brow, but this product is very interesting. I am definitely gonna give it a try to see what it is all about. It's a very different, very unique. All right, cool. So that's what we got there. We also did get a Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. I got mine in the color taupe. That's what it says on here. And I love BoxyCharm because I would normally not buy a Becca lipstick. That's just not my thing. This is the color. It's so pretty. I like it. It's so cute. I would not buy a Becca lipstick. So that's so cool that they're known brands, they're high end, and you get to try them out for 50 bucks. So this box is very, very valuable. It's well worth the value that we're paying. All right, cool. That was that. So the next thing we got was this right here, and this is a Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Okay, that's what it looks like. I don't really love skincare that much, you guys know, but I will definitely give this a try. And it's like a very light pink color. It's kind of thick, kind of has like an iridescent, I don't know if you guys could see it. It looks like a highlight, but I'll let that dry to see if it actually peels off. I'm not sure. We shall see. Okay, the next item. Oh my God, these are so super cute. I saw these, I cheated on these. I saw them from my friend's box. And these are really cute. These are the Moda brushes. It's a powder and soft glow brush. Oh, my alarm is so annoying. I'm so sorry. But this is what they look like, and they are so cute. It has like a rose gold, again, like a rose gold metallic thing to it, and they're very soft, and oh yes, I like them. So cute. So I like both of them. That's what we got. We got some brushes. The next thing we got was this, and they are some Deborah Lippmann little nail polishes. Yes, time for a mani. Definitely overdue on that. Okay, so this is what they look like. They're little mini ones. They're really, really cute. The colors are so pretty. It's like this nudie pink color, and then this one's like a glittery iridescent color, and they're really, really tiny. They're really small. Those are so cute. I like the colors on those. And this is the reason why I got this box. This next item is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Cream. Okay, so when we got our box in December, we got that Elemis moisturizing cream. I forgot what it was called, but I went through it and I absolutely loved it. And this is from It Cosmetics, and It Cosmetics is so super fancy, but I've been eyeing this cream. I really have been wanting to try this out because I'm so dry. My skin is so dry as a crocodile. Oh, this jar. I like how it smells. It has like some kind of smell. It smells really good. But this Confidence in a Cream, I'm so excited. This was the whole reason why I upgraded my box, because I was like, the other items are all right. But this cream makes it really well worth it. I absolutely cannot wait to try this one. Skincare. Okay. All right. Anyhow, next we got this right here, and this is the Cover FX. What is this? Okay, so it's a Cover FX little palette. It has a highlighter, a contour, a brightener, a finishing powder, a highlighter, and a blush. That's what that looks like, and it's really, really pretty. I like the size of it. See, we got a lot of really good, like, known brands in this box. That's a foam. And last but not least, we got a Morphe palette. I know there was a variation on the Morphe palettes. The one that I got is called Blend the Rules 15N Night Master. That's what it is. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, I cannot wait to see what this looks like. Not that I need any more palettes. I think I have more than enough palettes. I really don't need. But that's cool that they sent it along. This one's nice. I think it's the same one that my friend got. I think it's the exact same one, because I remember this purple shade that was calling my name. I loved it. So I think I got the same palette as you, Liz. So super cute. Woo! I cannot wait to use all of my goodies. Okay, so really quickly, let me recap it and tell you how much each thing was. Okay, so the first thing was the Cover FX, which is this one right in here. This item was retailed for $45. The Moda brushes, which are these two right here, these retail for $29.99, rounded off. They're 30 bucks for these little pink brushes. The next thing that we got was the iconic eyebrow something, the eyebrow cushion. This little palette right here, this little compact, it retails for 40 bucks. Oh my God, that is way too much. All right, next it's gonna be the Wonder Beauty Lift Up Peel Mask, which is this one right here. This retails for $34. Oh my God. All right, next are these Lily lashes right here. And these retail for $24.99 and they're so super cute. I like them now. Now that I saw them in person, I like them. Okay, next we got the IT Cosmetics Moist Confidence in a Cream, which is this one right here. This one retails for 48 bucks, you guys. 48 bucks. Our box was 50 bucks. This is 48 bucks. This alone pretty much paid off for your whole box, and then you got a whole bunch of other goodies. Oh my god. All right, next was the Becca Ultimate Lipstick was retailed for 24 bucks. Dang, that's expensive. Woo! Okay, next we got the Morphe Little Palette. This right here retails for 16 bucks. And then the last item again was the Deborah Lippmann little nail polishes. These retail for 20 bucks. They're so baby, they're so tiny. 20 bucks? Oh my god. Okay, and then last but not least was this little BoxyCharm makeup bag, and this retails for 20 bucks, you guys. Oh my god, this is so freaking crazy. I absolutely love everything we got in this month's box. I'm so super excited to try out the IT Cosmetics cream, and let me add up my whole value. I'll tell you how much of this box was worth, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I am back. So our whole total value for this month's box was $302 altogether. Let me recap it. We got a Morphe palette, we got a little contour palette, we got an eyebrow product, we got eyelashes, we got a lipstick, you got a mask, you got 2 little makeup brushes, you got a moisturizing cream, you got a little mani to do your nails, you got 2 nail polishes, and that was it, as well as this really cute makeup bag that everything fits in there, and it's so super cute. So yes, you guys, this is gonna be it for today. I hope that you guys liked this video. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on this box. Did you upgrade to this month's Boxyluxe? Will you upgrade to the next one? Did we get the exact same things? Let me know in the comments down below. And of course, as always, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have a YouTube channel yourself, please let me know. I would love to give you my love and support right back. And yeah, I think that's it. Okay, guys, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.